Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice Olympiad math problem, that is a times b plus c is equal to 300 and b times a plus c is equal to 400 and c times a plus b is equal to 500. So here we have to find the value of a plus b plus c. Now let's start our solution. First of all, we can write this equation, that is a times b plus c is equal to 300. So here, multiplying this a into parentheses, we will get a times b plus a times c is equal to 300. Let us consider it is our equation number 1. Similarly, we are going to just write this equation 2 and then this equation 3. So here we have b times a plus c is equal to 400. So b times a plus c is equal to 400. Now b times a is ab plus b times c is bc is equal to 400. It is our equation number 2. Similarly, here we have c times a plus b is equal to 500. So c times a plus b is equal to 500. Now multiplying this c into parentheses, we will get ac plus b times c is bc is equal to 500. Now it is our equation 3. So here we have three equations. If we add equation 1 and 2, so we have that adding equation 1 and equation 2, here we get left hand side of equation 1 is a times b plus a times c, and left hand side of equation 2 is adding here plus a times b plus b times c is equal to right hand side of equation 1 is 300 and right hand side of equation 2 is 400. So adding 300 plus 400. Next step is here plus ab we get 2ab and plus ac plus bc is equal to 300 plus 400 is 700. Now 2 times a times b, and here AC plus BC we have from equation 3, AC plus BC is equal to 500. So plus here we just put 500 is equal to 700. Now shifting this 500 to our right hand side, we get 2 times A times B is equal to 700 minus 500, we will get 200. Now if we divide 2 on both hand side, so this 2 is cancelled with 2. We have a times b is equal to 2 1 is 2. We get 100. Let's say it is our equation number 4. Similarly, now we are going to add equation 1 and equation 3. So adding equation 1 and equation 3. Here we get our left hand side of equation 1 is a times b plus a times c, and our left hand side of equation 3 is, here we see that AC plus BC. So adding here plus AC plus BC is equal to right hand side of equation 1 is 300 and right hand side of equation 3 is 500. So here now this plus AC we will get 2AC plus A times B plus B times C is equal to 500 plus 300 is 800. Now 2 times A times C, here AB plus BC we have from equation 2, left hand side of equation 2 is AB plus BC, which is equal to 400. Putting the value of AB plus BC here, then we have it is plus 400, that is equal to 800. Now This 2 times A times C is equal to 800. Shifting this 400, we will get 800 minus 400, that is equal to 400. So if we divide this 2 on both sides, here 2 is cancelled, we have value of AC is equal to, that is 200. It is our equation number 5. Similarly, we are going to add equation 2 and equation 3. Now adding equation 2 and equation 3. Here we will get our left hand side of equation 2 is A times B plus A times C. Now left hand side of equation 3 is, here we have AC, so here that is AB. Here we have our left hand side of equation 2 is AB plus BC, and equation 3 is AC plus BC. So here we have AB plus, it is BC, now plus AC plus BC is equal to 400 plus 500. Now here BC plus BC is 2BC, that is plus AB plus AC is equal to 400 plus 500 is 900. Here we have 2 times BC plus AB plus AC from our equation 1, it is equal to 300. AB plus AC is equal to 300. So putting the value of AB plus AC, which is 300, that is equal to 900. Next, 2 times BC is equal to 900 minus 300, we will get 600. By dividing 2 on both sides, here this 2 is cancelled, we get BC is equal to 2 3 are 6, so it is equal to 300. It is our equation number 6. Now we have from equation 4, 5 and 6, we have 3 values, that is AB is equal to 100. It is our equation number 4. Similarly, equation 5 is AC is equal to 200. And equation number 6 is BC is equal to 300. It is our equation number 6. Now we are going to just multiply this equation 4 with equation 5 and dividing by 6. So multiplying equation 4 with equation number 5 and then dividing by equation number 6. Here we have equation 4 is A times B. Left hand side of equation 4 is A times B. Left hand side of equation 5 is A times C. We have just multiplied and now dividing by left hand side of equation 6, which is BC. That is equal to, right hand side of equation 4 is 100. Multiply by, it is 200. Dividing by 300. Here we have that this B is cancelled out with B, C is cancelled out with C, we get A squared is equal to, here we have this 0 is cancelled with 0 and both zeros are cancelled, we get 200 divided by 3. 200 divided by 3. So let's say it is our value of A squared, that is 200 divided by 300. Similarly, we are going to just multiply equation 4 with equation 6 and dividing by equation 5. Now multiplying equation 4 with equation 6 and dividing by equation number 5. Here we have equation 4 is A times B multiplied by 6, equation 6 is B times C, all over A times C is equal to, that is right hand side of equation 4 is 100 and right hand side of equation 6 is 300 and right hand side of equation 5 is 200. So these two zeros are cancelled, we get here this A is cancelled with A, C is cancelled with C, B times B is B squared is equal to 300 divided by 2. 300 divided by 2. It is the value of B squared. Now, for finding the value of c squared, we must multiply equation 5 with equation 6 and dividing by equation 4. Now, multiplying equation 5 with equation 6 and dividing by equation number 4. Here we get equation 5 is left hand side of equation 5, that is AC, multiplied by left hand side of equation 6 is BC. All over left hand side of equation 4 is A times B. Similarly, right hand side of equation 5, that is equal to 200, and right hand side of equation 6 is 300. Similarly, equation 4 have right hand side is 100. Now here this A is cancelled with A, B is cancelled with B, C times C is C squared. So C squared is equal to, here these two zeros are cancelled, we get 600. So C squared is equal to, here we have 600. Here we have find out three values, that is A squared, B squared and C squared. Now according to algebraic identity, we know that if we have A plus B plus C whole squared, it is equal to A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2 times A times B plus B times C plus C times A. Now A plus B plus C whole squared is equal to, here we have the value of A squared, that is equal to 200 divided by 3, and value of B squared is 300 divided by 2, and value of C squared is 600. So putting these values here, that A squared is 200 divided by 3 plus B squared is 300 divided by 2 plus C squared is 600 plus 2 times the value of AB. As we know that value of AB from equation 4, 5 and 6, AB is 100, BC is 300, CA or AC is equal to 200. So it will be, that is value of AB is equal to 100. So putting here, that is 100 plus BC is 300 plus CA is 200. Now A plus B plus C whole squared is equal to, here if we just take LCM of 3 and 2, we get 6. So 3 times 2 is 6. So 2 times 200 is 400 plus 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 300 is 900 plus 600 plus 2 times, here we have 100 plus 300 is 400 plus 200 is 600. Now our next step will be, here A plus B plus C whole squared is equal to, now 900 plus 400 we have 1300 over 6 plus 600 plus 2 times 600 is 1200. So A plus B plus C whole squared is equal to 1300 divided by 6 plus 600 plus 1200 is 1800. Now A plus B plus C whole squared is equal to, so here at 1800 over 1 is denominator here, so we are going to take least common multiple of 6 and 1. Here we have 6. Now 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1300 is 1300 plus, that is 6 divided by 1 is 6. So 6 multiplied by 1800, we will get 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times as it 8 is 48. 4 here. 6 times 1 is 6 and 4 is 10. So here A plus B plus c whole squared is equal to, now 1300 plus 10 at 0 0 we will get, that is 0 and again 0. 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 carry here, so we have 1 plus 1 is 2 and 1 all over 6. Our next step will be a plus b plus c whole squared is equal to, so here, that if we just divide by dividing to here, denominator 2 3 or 6, so 2 6 or 12, and here we put 0, 2 5s are 10 and 0, we have 6050 over 3. Now if we just take square root on both hand side, so we can find easily the value of a plus b plus c, as we have just given in our problem. We have to find the value of a plus b plus c. So here the squares cancel out with square root. We have a plus b plus c is equal to, here we put plus minus and 6050 over 3. So we have that this 6050 over 3, we can write the 6050 like 2 times 5 squared times 11 squared, it is equal to 6050 all over 3. Now a plus b plus c is equal to plus minus, here we can write this one, that square root of 2 times square root of 5 squared times square root of 11 squared all over square root of 3. So our next step will be a plus b plus c is equal to plus minus, here this square is cancelled out with square root, similarly this square is cancelled out with this square root, so we get 11 times 5 is 55 times square root of 2 all over square root of 3. Here if we multiply and divide by the square root of 3, so multiplying by this square root of 3 and dividing by square root of 3, so here we will get a plus b plus c is equal to plus minus 55 times 2 times 3 is square root of 6 all over, we get square root of 3 whole squared, and this square is cancelled out with square root. Our final value of a plus b, here a plus b plus c is equal to plus minus 55 times square root of 6 over 3. So it is our final value of a plus b plus c. Now it is our final answer. I hope you have understand all these steps. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.